teacher Danica, and today we're going to learn about singular and plural nouns. Are you ready? Let's begin. Singular noun names only one person, animal, thing, or place. Examples: girl, dog, chair, church. Plural noun names two or more persons, animals, things, or places. Examples: girls, dogs, chairs, churches. Rules in forming the plural form of nouns. First rule: we add s to the singular noun. Examples: dog, dogs, girl, girls, chair, chairs. Rule number 2. We add es to words ending in s, ss, ch, sh, and x. Examples: gas, gases, glass, glasses, match, matches, toothbrush, toothbrushes, box, boxes. Rule number 3. When a noun ends in y and the letter before it is a vowel, a, e, I, o, u, we simply add s to the noun. Examples: key, keys, toy, toys, tray, trays. Rule number 4. When a noun ends in y and the letter before it is a consonant, we change y to I and add es. Examples: baby, babies, strawberry, strawberries. Activity 1. Say the correct plural form of the nouns below. Number 1. Bird. If your answer is birds, you are correct. Number 2. Pencil. If your answer is pencils, you are correct. Number 3. Horse. If your answer is horses, good job! Number 4. Brush. If your answer is brushes, good job! Number 5. Fish. If your answer is fishes, you are correct. Number 6. Box. If your answer is boxes, good job! Number 7. Key. If your answer is keys, you are correct! Number 8. Daisy. If your answer is daisies, good job! Number 9. Butterfly. If your answer is butterflies, good job! And the last number, fairy. If your answer is fairies, good job! Activity number 2. Say the correct plural form of the given noun to complete the sentence. Number 1. Erica loves to read horror story. If your answer is stories, good job! Number 2. Please get 5 boxes of cookies on the table. If your answer is boxes, good job! Number 3. Dina and Eula wash the dish. If your answer is dishes, good job! Number 4. Pick up all the toy outside. If your answer is toys, you are correct! Number 5. The grade 5 students are very energetic. If your answer is students, good job! I hope you learned a lot today. If you enjoy our lesson, please hit like and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye!